What's up, guys? My name is Victor. This is my 1998 Honda Civic, and I'm gonna be going through what's been done to it and what to expect from this in the future. So just to start off, it's kind of clapped out now. We have some primer spots from a recent track accident a couple months ago, and it just came back from body work. I'll probably be putting the clip of that little incident. But yeah, let's start off with the wheels and tire setup. We have some Koze K1 Racing 15x7 plus 38 offset wrapped in some Nitto Neogen 205 50 15 tires. Same with the rear suspension. We have True Heart coilovers, the Street Plus, with some rear upper control arms. Not sure if you can see that. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. Cosmetically, it's not much. We just have a simple SIR rep lip from eBay, some black housing headlights, and we also have the 50/50 headlights from the newer Civics. For exhaust, we have a 2.5 to 3 K-tuned turn down muffler with the Vibrant Racing Ultra Quiet resonator somewhere around here in the middle. And I'll give a quick sound clip in a few. We have some tow hooks from the track still. And yeah, let me go into the interior now. So for the interior, we have a Sparco L360 suede steering wheel that's pretty much no longer suede now. We do plan on switching this out later on in the future. Then around the cluster, we have the Blocks Racing pod gauge. We just have an AFR gauge over here. Then we have a hybrid racing short shifter. You could adjust the throw on it and how long and short you want it, just the height of it. What else? We have no rear seats in the rear. We have a rear Megan Racing strut bar. We also have one in the front. I'll show that in a few. But yeah, nothing much. We do have a seat on the way, so we'll be making a video on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it from inside. There's nothing crazy done to it. Yeah, let's go under the hood now. It's down here, it's nothing crazy. It's pretty much a stock D16Y8. We just have a simple AEM intake and a random header that came with the car. Then we have a Mishimoto slim fan over here, and that's pretty much it. Oh, and we also, here's the front Megan Racing strut bar that I was talking about. Then we have a Circuit Hero cooling plate, and yeah, that's pretty much it for under the hood over here. We also got rid of the AC as a typical Honda owner, and yeah. I also forgot to mention the brake system. It's nothing crazy. We just have StopTech slotted rotors with some Hawk Performance pads, and then StopTech braided steel lines. And that's pretty much it. I do plan on getting the car painted sometime around the summertime. Right now I'm just gonna rock it as is, but yeah. I do plan on making a video soon on installing some rear lower control arms in the subframe brace. I got other stuff at home that I want to put on. I have an S2000 AP2 cluster that I need to put in here. Just need to order the harness for that for the conversion. And yeah, let me give you guys that sound clip. not too loud, but it's not too quiet. It's enough for making the driving to be a better experience. But yeah, it's perfect for right now. So I do have a B20B at home that I'll be swapping in this thing once I'm ready and it's finished. I just want to enjoy this motor for right now. I'll be obviously recording that for the content. I'll be posting canyon run videos and then probably track day videos. I'll be attending more of those. And I'm pretty sure a bunch of you watch me because of the truck. We'll be making videos on those as well. And yeah, before I end this video, just want to say shout out to Doza Garage. That's the sponsor of the car. Helped me with the wheels and tire setup and a bunch of other things on the build. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys.